Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change your Walmart pickup location. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top right corner, we have your items, your account, and your shopping cart. And also we have the search bar where you can search for everything at Walmart online and in store. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your Walmart pickup location. So to change your Walmart pickup location, follow these steps. Log into your Walmart account as I told you and go to the cart and review your items. So go to the top right corner. Here, as you can see, the third option out of all of these three options here and click on the cart. Then select the current pickup location displayed in your cart. Choose a new store from the list of available locations and confirm the change and proceed to checkout. If you're already placed your order, you might need to cancel it and reorder with the new pickup location. So if you have to do that, you need to of course go and do that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.